Kia infotainment systems serve as the central hub for navigation, media playback, and vehicle controls in Kia vehicles. These systems occasionally require resets to fix common issues such as unresponsive touchscreens or software crashes. There are two main types of resets available for Kia infotainment systems. A soft reset, also called a reboot, clears temporary memory without deleting any user data. A hard reset, or factory reset, restores the system to its original settings and erases all user data. Kia has improved systems with software updates version 3.5 Plus and the CCNC platform for newer models, offering better reliability and faster boot times. However, issues can still occur due to software bugs, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay conflicts, or hardware degradation over time. Understanding when and how to perform these resets is crucial for maintaining your infotainment system's functionality and resolving common problems. A soft reset clears temporary memory and fixes minor glitches like app freezing. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts, or access it through the settings menu. For persistent issues, perform a hard reset through the vehicle's maintenance menu or Kia Connect app. This restores original settings but erases all saved data, so back up important information first. Touchscreen issues often result from software bugs, calibration errors, or physical damage. For non-responsive screens, start with a hard reset. If that doesn't work, the touchscreen may need professional calibration or repair. Always perform resets with the vehicle stationary to avoid safety risks. Improper resets may affect safety features. If issues persist, consult Kia Service to maintain your warranty. Recent systems receive over-the-air updates that fix bugs and improve performance, reducing the need for manual resets.